Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm making up some beefy tortellini. It's a delicious dish we've tried a few times and we loved it, so I wanted to get on and share with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Here in my pan I have a couple of tablespoons of canola oil, and to that I'm going to add in 2 cups of diced onion, and we're just going to cook these onions till they're nice and tender. Okay, so we're just going to let those hang out there in maybe 5 minutes or so. Alright, those been cooking for maybe 7 minutes or so. We want to make sure we get these tender because this comes together, get together pretty quick. So, did y'all like how I said that? Together? Okay, now I have 2 large cloves of garlic. Just want to cook this till it's a little bit fragrant here. Not too long. We all know garlic gets bitter if you burn it, so keep that moving around. Okay, now I'm going to add in, let me grab this over here. I have a half a pound of hamburger or ground chuck, whatever one you prefer, lean, and a half a pound of Italian sausage. Use hot or mild, but I'm going to cook this till it's done. I got to get my sausage, but I'm going to grab my sausage and I'm going to cook this till it's golden brown. And I wanted to bring up now the meat, the sausage and the hamburger meat. Chop that up as meat. You know, I don't know how big a lot of people like their meat like in their spaghetti or whatever. They like it kind of chunky, a lot like it really chopped. So we're kind of in between. So go there however y'all want it. But I'm just going to let this brown up good. Alrighty, now get whatever fat that rendered off here of your sausage and hamburger. And to that you're going to add in 1 14-ounce can. A lot of them are 14.5 ounce cans of your diced tomatoes, juices and all. I have 3/4 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. I have here 1 cup of heavy cream. I have 1 1/4 cups of stock. Now what I want to do here, let me kick this up a little. I have me a 20-ounce packet of the 3 cheese tortellini. Make sure it's defrosted if you have it frozen. You can use the 16, I think it comes in a 16 or the 20. And I'm going to add that in. And we're going to have some garlic bread with this. So I'm just going to get this all mixed up. I'm going to get it to boiling. Whoops, and salt, as I always say, is going to be to your taste. But we're going to be adding some cheese in here. So this is going to cook probably a good 15 minutes covered once it comes to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to turn it down and just let it simmer. And as you can see, it's starting to boil there. So I'm going to cover it Give it another 30 seconds or so. Then I'll turn that down. And we'll be back to add some cheese. Now that's coming along. Just give it a stir here and there. Being gentle, not to break up your tortellini. And I'm just going to give it a little bit of salt. Like I said, salt is to your taste. Some pepper. Black pepper. It's all to your taste. Alrighty, we'll let that cook. I do want to mention also, guys, please don't bring it to a hard boil. Once it boils, immediately turn it down, because you do have that heavy cream in there. So just a light simmer you want this to go for at least 15 to 20 minutes till that tortellini gets nice and soft, okay? Alrighty, my gas or electric here's turned off. Now to this I have 1 1/4 cups of fresh Parmesan. You don't want to get the stuff that's in the bottle, the dry powder. You want the fresh Parmesan, okay? And we're going to go with 1 1/4 cups and then a little bit to sprinkle over top of it afterwards. But here it's 1 1/4 cups, and my stove is turned off. We're just going to fold this in here, move it around. I'm just going to get this stirred up and put into a serving platter, and we'll be back. I got that cheese all mixed in there. Wanted to show you all the gooey yumminess. See all that cheese there? Just till you get it folded in. You don't want to mess with it much. Alrighty, there it is, friends. Make you up a batch of this stuff. It's delicious. Definitely different. Now I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit, not a whole lot, because we got all that gooiness going on in there. This is just presentation. You can put some more parm on there if they'd like, and make it pop a little bit with some parsley, not a whole lot. And there you have it. It's good stuff, you guys. Give it a try. Beefy tortellini. And we're going to have it with some, and it's quick. If you got tortellini on hand, some canned tomatoes, some, I'm just being funny. I don't, tomatoes, and some parm. It comes together quick. It's delicious. It's full of flavor. If you like tortellini, I guarantee you'll love this one. If you like Italian sausage, you're going to love it. But give it a try. Let me know what you think. Until next time, guys. You guys stay safe out there, and God bless. Until next time, see you later. Enjoy.